drug abuse. I am aware of the ill effects of drug abuse, and I solemnly promise not to indulge in drug abuse. I also swear my sincere contribution to prevent and advise my family members and friends not to fall into the habit of drug abuse. I assure to fully contribute for the cause of rescuing and guiding the drug abusers to give up drugs. I will fully stand with the government in the fight against the usage, consumption and manufacturing of illegal narcotic substances in order to eradicate them from Tamil Nadu. Solemnly pledge that I will contribute with dedication to the development of the state and the well-being of the people. Thank you.